Are you looking for the best Nikon camera? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Nikon camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Nikon Z52 Mirrorless Camera. Nikon Z52 Mirrorless Camera with Dual Lens Kit. Go beyond your phone. Elevate your photography with the Nikon Z52, featuring a powerful 20.9 megapixel DX format APS-C sensor. With a sensor several times larger than a typical smartphone, you'll capture lifelike colors and incredible detail, whether it's the golden hour or twilight. Lightweight and compact, the Z52 easily fits into a small bag, making it the perfect travel companion. Find your aesthetic. Unleash your creativity with 31 built-in picture control presets that enhance your photos and videos with just one button press. Create and save custom presets or download unique cloud picture controls directly from Nikon Imaging Cloud. See results in real time as you shoot, and open the door to endless creative possibilities. Focus with confidence. Track your subject effortlessly with advanced autofocus capabilities that detect and follow 9 distinct subjects, including people, pets, birds, and vehicles. Dedicated bird and airplane modes ensure precision focus for challenging shots. Powerful video performance. Record cinematic 4K UHD/60p videos or create dramatic effects with 120p slow motion in full HD. With built-in electronic VR, vibration reduction, and a product review mode, your footage will be smooth and professional grade. Built-in flash. Take beautifully balanced indoor and nighttime shots with ease. Night portrait mode adds a natural touch to slow shutter flash portraits, ensuring every moment looks its best. Seamless sharing. Quickly transfer photos and videos to your smartphone using the free Nikon SnapBridge app. Sharing your creativity has never been easier. Complete dual lens kit. This bundle includes the versatile Nikon ZDX 16 to 50mm f/3.5-6.3 VR lens for everyday shooting and the Nikon ZDX 50 to 250mm f/4.5-6.3 VR lens for capturing distant subjects with stunning clarity. Number 2. Nikon D7500 DSLR Camera. Class-leading image quality. Achieve stunning results with an ISO range, image processing, and metering system on par with the award-winning Nikon D500. From low-light photography to intricate details, the D7500 ensures professional-grade performance in every shot. Brilliant display. Enjoy a large 3.2-inch tilting LCD touchscreen with 922K dots of resolution. Effortlessly frame your shots, navigate menus, and adjust settings with intuitive touch functionality, perfect for capturing unique angles and perspectives. Advanced autofocus and speed. Never miss a moment with a 51-point AF system featuring 15 cross-type sensors and group area AF for enhanced precision. Pair this with an impressive 8 frames per second continuous shooting capability, ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects with ease. Cinematic video excellence. Record stunning 4K Ultra HD and Full HD 1080p videos with stereo sound. Benefit from advanced features like power aperture control, auto ISO, and 4K UHD time-lapse capabilities for dynamic and creative video content. Extended focal reach. With a focal length equivalent to approximately 1.5x that of FX format lenses, the D7500 offers an extended angle of view, giving you added flexibility for capturing distant subjects without compromising image quality. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, high-speed action, or cinematic video, the Nikon D7500 combines precision, power, and versatility in a compact, easy-to-use package. Number 3. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera, your gateway to exceptional photography. High-resolution imaging. Capture every detail with the 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor. paired with an ISO range of 100 to 6400, expandable to H.12800, the Rebel T7 delivers crisp, vibrant images in various lighting conditions, from sunny days to dim indoor settings. Seamless connectivity. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology, making it effortless to share your photos and videos instantly. Whether you're uploading to social media or transferring to your devices, the Rebel T7 keeps you in the moment. Accurate autofocus. The 9-point AF system, combined with AI Servo AF, ensures sharp and precise focusing for both still photography and dynamic subjects. Perfect for capturing portraits, landscapes, and action shots with ease. Enhanced viewing experience. The optical viewfinder offers approximately 95% viewing coverage, letting you frame your shots with clarity and precision. See the world as it truly is through the lens. Versatile webcam functionality. Transform your Canon EOS Rebel T7 into a high-quality webcam with the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software for Mac and Windows. Elevate your video calls, live streams, or virtual meetings with professional-level clarity. Wide lens compatibility. Compatible with Canon EF and EFS lenses, excluding EFM lenses, the Rebel T7 opens the door to endless creative possibilities, whether you're shooting wide-angle landscapes or close-up portraits. Designed for beginners and beyond. With its intuitive controls, powerful features, and lightweight design, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is perfect for aspiring photographers and hobbyists ready to take their skills to the next level. Number 4. Nikon D50 116.2 MP Digital SLR Camera. Certified refurbished, quality you can trust. Like new performance. This refurbished product has been thoroughly tested and certified to look and function like new. Experience reliable performance and high quality, just as you would with a brand new product. Comprehensive refurbishing process. Each unit undergoes a meticulous refurbishing process, including functionality testing, ensures the product operates flawlessly. Basic cleaning, restores a fresh, like new appearance. Inspection and repackaging, guarantees a product that meets rigorous quality standards. Ready to use. The product includes all relevant accessories, ensuring you have everything needed for immediate use. While it may arrive in a generic box, its performance and reliability are anything but ordinary. Choose a refurbished product for exceptional value and dependable performance, backed by a quality assurance process. Number 5. Nikon D70 520.9 MP DSLR Digital Camera. Nikon D70 500 DSLR Camera Ultimate Bundle, unleash your creativity. Complete photography kit. This comprehensive Nikon camera bundle includes everything you need to start capturing stunning photos and videos. Nikon D70 500 DSLR Digital Camera with Lens Kit. Nikon AF-SDX Nikkor 18 to 140 mm f divided by 3.5-5.6 G EDVR lens. SanDisk 64 GB Ultra SDHC SD memory card. ENEL15 compatible lithium-ion battery. Large digital camera gadget bag. 67 mm professional telephoto lens. 67 mm professional UV filter. 67 mm 3-piece Pro filter kit. 67 mm tulip lens hood. USB SD card reader. Memory card wallet. Deluxe cleaning kit. Additional accessories for all your photography needs. Perfect combination of power and performance. 20.9 MP DX format CMOS sensor paired with the XP5 image processor ensures exceptional image quality. Shoot at an impressive 8 frames per second for up to 100 frames in a single burst, perfect for fast-paced action shots. User-friendly features. A 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD monitor, 922K, makes framing and reviewing shots a breeze. Record 4K UHD video, 3840x2160p, at 30 frames per second with vibrant detail. Stay connected with SnapBridge Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, making it easy to share your creativity. High-quality output for every shot. Advanced Multi-CAM 3500FX 251.AF system ensures precise focus for both stills and video. An impressive native ISO of 51200, expandable to ISO 164,0000, allows for stunning low-light performance. Equipped with a 180,000 pixel RGB sensor and group area AF for enhanced accuracy and subject tracking. This bundle is perfect for photographers of all levels who want to elevate their craft. From stunning landscapes to detailed portraits, the Nikon D7500 delivers unmatched performance, reliability, and creative possibilities.